Good evening, everyone. On the event of Dixit Bharat Bilaton, our team has decided to work on a project called Hydraulic Bridge, which works on this principle, and today we would like to demonstrate on how it works. First of all, this basic project here that combines a simple engineering yet with a creative design, a hydraulic cupboard powered by syringes, as you can see here. So there's this in a scientific way it combines with Pascal's law, but we would like to let's go ahead with it. First of all, what are hydraulic systems? Before we talk about our specific bridge, let's start with the basic principle behind it. This system, hydraulic system. So as you can see here, here is a syringe and there is a pipe leading here, and here's another syringe here. This is filled with a fluid with water, as we use water for an easier method. This prototype here, as it works, these forces applied through with the use of syringes, creating a system that can lift heavy objects, as you can see. But now we have decided to work on the bridge instead, so let's see it. Hydraulic lifts are commonly used in industries like car repair, where heavy machinery and others are used to be lifted up, since humans we cannot lift it with our own bare hands. So the key concept is that when fluids are compressed from one syringe to another device, it exerts a pressure, a force that will help to create a basic hydraulic system which powers the cardboard. The uses of the same principle as larger hydraulic lift, but in a simplified form. Advantages of this design. You may be asking why this simple design. Here, I would like to present my arguments. Cost effective. Most of the materials are low cost or even free, making this an affordable project. So let's see the hands-on learning. This project is a great tool for educational purposes. As we can see, heavy, expensive and costly materials cannot be afforded, but we have managed to create this simple, innovative design from scraps, cardboard, and all these things. So you can bear with us for it. And for industrial purposes, for customization, I think we could be using more durable materials like steel, plywood, etc. All of those things. And when we use those things, it can be really applicable in real life, and it can be really useful in areas where labor and main labor is necessary. This is a small thing yet, but with the help of my team, we will be able to demonstrate to everybody that this will someday help everyone. So you may be wondering what will be the challenges on this. Yes, there are several drawbacks, as is usual for the outcome of any project. The drawbacks are that sometimes the lift may not be working, and sometimes the prototypes might need a little bit more effort. Well, in that case, we could use other fluids instead of water. There are more useful fluids. Or in the absence of fluids, we could also be using different sorts of things. So now my team would demonstrate, and you could see really how it works. See this fluid here? Now when it is pressed, it works up this leaf. So let us imagine an instance. There's this platform here, and let us imagine that there is another right here. And let us imagine a water flowing through here. There's this river, and there is no time to build a bridge. Yet, instead of a bridge which can collapse easily, why not this prototype which can be kept through here? So here, let's imagine that there are several people who are on their way to this side. Now when my team push this, when they apply force, the lift comes up. So the vehicles and the people here, they can pass easily on this hydraulic lift, and they can pass on easily to the other side. And when there are nobody to pass, they can just easily keep back the lift down. It's simple, it works like this. So this simple yet innovative hydraulic lift, or our so-called thing, it can be applicable in real life. It is really useful, innovative, simple, and not that expensive. It can be used in areas where main labor is low, and people are in need of these things in everyday life, for car repair workshops, anywhere. And it is not that really difficult to make. It's easy. So we have demonstrated a simple yet problem-solving prototype in this short video with the help of my team. Thank you.